today we're traveling all the way across Europe to stream snipe live streams. Let's start off in the United Kingdom. We're going to be stream sniping cameras in multiple countries, and our first country is going to be Wales, where we're going to be heading to the biggest lake in the country. This CCTV live stream overlooks the entire lake, and for the first challenge, we got to plant a flag in front of this camera. Since the camera's overlooking the lake, I made the decision to park on the opposite side, inflate a boat, and then cross a lake heading towards the camera with the flag undetected. You can kind of see a bit of it here. So yeah, this is going to be amazing if we can plant it. It was now time for the crossing, and after about 20 minutes of paddling, my boat started to appear on stream. Guys, we have touched down on land. Yes, this is so good. Now it's time to plant the flag right in front of the camera, so it's in front of everyone that watches the stream. I then made an escape, and just in time, as a car passed by seconds later, and I even captured some people that spotted the flag. And now it's time to head to Barcelona for the next stream snipe. As you can see, we just landed in Barcelona, and that's because there's a bunch of CCTV live streams here that we can stream snipe. We're going to be using Eric's M4, and just as I said that, Eric's just turned up.
Come on, man, stop recording. We're gonna stream snipe some live streams.
The first challenge in Barcelona is to do donuts, and for this we're going to sneak to the very end of a port and hopefully drift and escape before they can stop us. Alright guys, sorry for the camera angle, but we're trying to head here right now. We've already been told off and told to leave. We're not allowed in this port. We've just gone through the gates. Okay, there, I can see the camera. It's all the way up there on that pole. Please don't crash it, man. Yes, yes, yes! Where should we go? Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go! We made it out! Oh, is that the security?
Oh, that is.
We got to the gate to try and leave, and the security was waiting there for us. We went to the payment booth, quickly paid, and then tried to make an escape for it.
Security's coming, man. He was pointing at us.
Oh no, he's on the walkie-talkies. Okay, right, yeah, they're all onto us. Once we're out, we're out. Yes, we're out. They got scammed. The guy was trying to call more security, but we're now in public and he can't get us. So on to the next stream snipe. Our next challenge is to use chalk to advertise on a rooftop, and we found the perfect one overlooking all of Barcelona. So we tracked it down, and then we just had to find a way to get onto the roof. As you can see, there's nothing for me to grab onto. This is like a good probably 12, 13 feet. Eric might try and give me a leg up, but I don't know if it's gonna work. After a few attempts, I managed to actually get onto the roof, and all we had to do now was throw up the chalk and the equipment. And now we're on the roof, we had a very limited amount of time to write an advertisement. So before getting caught, I quickly wrote out the words Coopert. Coopert's a free web browser extension that's available on all main web browsers and even has its own dedicated app. It allows you to save money when checking out online using its automatic coupon testing. You can see here, all I did was press apply coupon and it saved me over £119 in just a few seconds. And that's because it's supported by over 3 million retailers. And they even have a cashback reward scheme that works for over 76,000 retailers, including Temu, Walmart, Sephora, and even more. And then you can redeem your rewards via gift cards, PayPal, or even a bank card. So if you want to save money when shopping online, I highly recommend testing out Cooper and seeing the difference it makes to your day-to-day life. There's a reason they have over 6 million weekly active users. It's completely free, and the link's at the top of my description. Thanks Cooper for sponsoring this video, as I've actually been using this service myself for a long time. Also, a quick disclaimer, we went back later that night and cleaned the roof. Anyway, let's get on to the next stream snipe. Okay, so this is the famous Barcelona building. It's called Sagrada Familia. We're going to sneak onto a rooftop here, which has a camera facing this famous building. And as you can see in my back, we got some fireworks. We've got to try and sneak into this building and get into the rooftop.
In Spain, we have this thing where if you ring a bell and you say, hey, it's me, they open up the door. So we're gonna put that to the test. Let's see if they respond.
This was our only hope of getting onto a rooftop, but unfortunately no one would answer the bell until at the last second, finally someone answered.
Hola, le dejo las llaves, ¿me puedes abrir, por favor?
We managed to get in, but unfortunately after getting to the top floor, all the entrances to the roof were completely locked up, so we had to try another building. This was our final hope. We made our way up to the top floor, trying to be as quiet as possible, as we didn't want to alert any of the neighbors. No way. Guys, we got some really good news. We just managed to sneak onto this rooftop, as you can see. We've got this big Barcelona building, but the issue is the camera's on this side of the building. So Eric had the plan of climbing down here. We climbed down onto the other rooftop, navigating our way to the other side of the building. We then climbed up the other side, hoping that we'd now be in front of the CCTV camera.
We made it. Right, the camera's somewhere over here.
Me and Eric tried to spot the camera when the worst case scenario happened.
Guys, we got some really bad news. There's a door over there which was locked before. The guy just tried to open it, and we're just hoping they haven't locked the doors, because if they have, we're stuck on this roof.
Yeah, they got locked from inside.
I don't know what we're gonna do if that's happened.
We waited some time to see if anyone would come out, and then we decided to light the firework.
Right, guys, we got to be fast. There's a bunch of police, but I don't think it is for us, but we don't take any risks. Don't know what they're like over here. Oh my god, that's so loud, man.
Everything from this point went wrong. Not only did the fireworks somehow not show up on the CCTV, but we quickly found out that our suspicions of being locked on the roof were correct.
Oh my god. No way. What should we do? Before, how we said we think someone locked the door, that wasn't just like to be dramatic, they've actually locked the door, it's completely locked. So we're literally stuck on a rooftop and there's like literally no way to get out.
After banging on the door for about 10 or 15 minutes, the person that locked the door from the inside came out.
What did he say?
He just was in a hurry to watch the football game.
Really?
Yeah, that's what he said. We made it, guys. On to the next stream snipe.
Guys, we're at the next CCTV camera location. If you look over there, you can see the camera is on the roof. And this camera is currently overlooking the entire beach. The plan is to set off a smoke bomb. That's our next challenge for the stream snipe. So let's go. This is gonna blow black smoke everywhere, so people are probably gonna think there's a fire. But that's okay, because we are stream sniping.
Should we go afterwards, like run?
Yeah, well, we won't run. We're allowed to set off a smoke bomb, it's not illegal.
I mean,
Yes!
do you wanna hold it?
No. Oh, look at that!
No way, man.
That's amazing. It's really black. Oh no, it's leaving loads of black smoke.
That's bad, man.
That's bad. What should we do?
So bad. Let's go, man.
Should we go this way?
Make sure you record it. No, let's go this way.
Okay, so as you can see, it's going everywhere. That's pretty bad. It looks like there's actually a fire on.
Yeah, man.
Let's see if it appears on the camera. Oh my god, yeah, look. Look at that on the camera. That's bad, man. Everyone's looking as if like there's been a fire or something.
They're asking what's happened.
Hi guys.
Yeah?
You know what's happened?
Yeah, some kids set off a smoke bomb.
Yeah, some kids.
Yeah, some kids over there set off a smoke bomb.
Okay, thanks.
And they ran that way.
Okay.
Do you keep filming?
Yeah, let's go, man.
Are you
Oh, no, they're
filming?
going. They're leaving. They're going there.
They're there.
Yeah, they were there.
Right, guys, we have to make an escape because I'm not sure if you got that guy on camera. Hopefully the audio heard it. But he asked, you know, what's gone on, and we blamed it on some random kids. So now we just got to make an escape for it. Let's just go. We're out of here, man. We're out of here. And now we're going to head to a completely different country because obviously they're probably going to report that to the police. But let's go to the next country, which is Andorra. So we finally arrived in Andorra in the fake Bugatti. If you guys aren't aware, Andorra is a very small country in the Pyrenees mountain range. And as you can see, we're surrounded by snowy mountains. So we're going to try and find a camera a few minutes from here and stream snipe it in this beautiful Bugatti. Okay, so let's go to the first camera in Andorra. So we finally arrived at the location. It's right behind us there at that hotel.
The first challenge is to do a handbrake skid right in front of the live stream. And now we knew the camera worked, it was time to try and do a 180.
Okay, that's really successful. That looked so funny. And now we're going to stream snipe another camera in the fake Bugatti. This one only updates every 5 minutes. It saves the footage as a GIF.
As this next camera only saves as a GIF, I thought it'd be cool to try and do a nice photo shoot. So I flexed my hypercar, hoping that the live stream would generate a beautiful GIF for us.
The camera just took a photo and it looks absolutely terrible. But there's one good thing. When we were driving down here before, somehow it managed to get a photo of us doing a drive-by, which is so unlikely because it only updates once every 10 minutes and only captures a few frames. So I'd class that challenge as ticked off.
And now it's time for the final Andorra stream snipe, which is on top of a mountain range at a ski resort.
So we're now next to the ski slope. Look how insane this is. And there we go, guys. Now the CCTV camera should be somewhere there and it should update any minute now.
The camera only updates once every 30 minutes, and unfortunately when it updated, you could barely see the car. But we couldn't wait around again because I had a flight to catch back to England for the final stream snipe.
I just landed back in the UK for the final stream snipe. We've done so many countries in this video and we're going to end it in England. This is going to be a very funny stream snipe because I just drove to a place where there's a bunch of train spotters and there's even a CCTV camera overlooking the train track, and apparently there's a popular train passing by which everyone wants to watch online. So I'm going to try and stream snipe it with this old person mask and a smoke bomb, and then we've got to get out of here ASAP. And hopefully this will stop people's suspicions because they'll think it's just an old guy. Oh my god, I can't see. anything through this.
I put on my old person disguise, hoping that anyone that passes by thinks I'm just an innocent old man, but no, they are wrong.
I'm gonna be as fast as I can.
The old man then walked towards the CCTV camera, trying his best not to raise any suspicion, and when the time was right, he pulled out a smoke bomb, lit it, and then proceeded to walk away before doing the take the L dance to the camera. Very disrespectful if you ask me, but hey, the game's the game.
Guys, we just did it. Right, let's get out of here fast so no one knows it's us until obviously this video goes live. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.